and teachers and my dear brothers and sisters. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I want to present topic about the nervous system. I hope you listen very carefully. How do you taste, smell, see and hear? How do you think and dream? How do you remember different things? How you feel pain or please? Have you ever thought how and why you perform so many activities in your daily life? You do all these things with the help of your body's nervous system. The nervous system controls all the other body system organs. It is one of the most important systems of our body. It makes us aware of our environment. Organs of the nervous system. The nervous system consists of the brain, the spinal cord and a network of nerves that extends to every part of the body. The brain. The brain is the control center of the human body. It receives information from all the parts through different nerves. An adult human brain weight is about 1.4 kg and contains millions of tiny cells. It is protected by a hard bony skull. The space between the skull and the brain and also the inside of the brain is filled with a clear fluid which serves as a cushion against jerks and injuries. Our brain is made up of 3 different parts. Each part has its own work to do. The largest part of the brain is the cerebrum. Its dome-shaped surface is covered with deep ridges and grooves. It controls the working of our eyes, ears, nose and tongue. It also controls our voice. It is the center of intelligence. We can think, learn, remember and circle because of the cerebrum. Below the cerebrum is the cerebellum. It coordinates the actions of the muscles and makes them work together. It helps us to balance our body and keeps us in an upright posture. If the cerebellum does not function properly, our body movements become jerk. Beneath the cerebellum lies the bulb-shaped medulla. It contains the brain to the spinal cord. It controls involuntary actions like the movements of the lungs and the heart. The medulla is active even when we sleep. The brain needs a continuous supply of blood and oxygen. A person faints if his heart is not able to send enough blood to his brain. We must get enough sleep to rest our brain. Spinal cord. The spinal cord is a thick bundle of nerves connecting your brain to the rest of your body. It passes through a tunnel of holes in your backbone or spine. The bones of the spinal column and vertebra protect it from damage. Nerves. Nerves form a network of pathways for conducting information throughout the body. They transfer messages to and from the brain so that it can function efficiently. The brain and nerves are made up of highly specialized cells called neurons. The brain has more than 10 billion nerve cells. Neurons have cell body with nucleus. They have dendrites and axons. Dendrites bring information to the cell body and axon takes information away from the cell body. Thanks, have a nice day.